that one guy might write some music?
Yeah, I write the lyrics and Adam Callis composes
Full
the
instruments
music.
himself, or do you get a group?
He does it all. Yeah. Pretty birds flashing and roadrunners dashing in and out of cars, making their way through the day, sleeping beneath the stars. The rich say only the poor can be happy, but baby they don't see. People packed into one-room shacks and 10-year-old junkies taking smack. So I'm gonna get out, yeah, I'm gonna be free. Don't want nobody stepping on me. There ain't no lifetime to choose. Won't get nowhere, run singing the blues. Pimps and hustlers run this town. City cops seen it all go down. Preachers and teachers try to understand the neon jungle in the city of man. The runaways are running, flyaways are flying, on the outside looking in, making their way through the streets, playing a game you just can't win. For in the gutters it's how to survive, how to still to make it out alive. People falling through the cracks, and 10-year-old junkies taking smack. But I'm gonna get out, yeah, I'm gonna get free. Don't want nobody stepping on me. The rich say only the poor can be happy, but baby they don't see. Life's too short and death too long, to waste my life to spend it wrong. So I'm gonna get out, yeah, I'm gonna get free. Don't want nobody stepping on me. Runaways are running, flyaways are flying, on the outside looking in, making their way through the day, life in the city of sin. Pimps and hustlers run this town, city cops seen it all go down. Preachers and teachers try to understand the neon jungle in the city of man. I'm gonna get out there, I'm gonna get free. Don't want nobody stepping on me. Preachers and teachers try to understand, but baby they don't say. Baby they don't say. Baby they don't say. Baby they don't say. Thank you.
Yeah.